Welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. Today, we will explore the dangerous situations on the road caused by reckless driving. This is a very important topic to ensure road safety for everyone. Let's get started. The driver was both speeding and not paying attention. A car with failed brakes crashed into the wall of a store, truly horrifying. The driver cleared the way for himself in an unimaginable manner. There have been many accidents on railway tracks. Why do drivers still stop there? After the collision, both cars had issues. Drivers need to learn from this. Was it the driver's inattention, or did the car lose control and veer off the road? The fault is definitely with the white car, turning too wide and speeding. The car skidded and spun around, but didn't collide with other vehicles. The container truck losing its brakes is something truly terrifying. You will cause a chain collision if you speed. Don't do that. How did the driver manage to drive the bus like that? How is it possible that a series of cars lost control on the road? A collision between two container trucks. Luckily, no one was injured. Somehow the driver didn't see the car turning. It feels like the black car is trying to block the white car. The car almost caused a collision, but the driver just drove away. Don't run red lights, just don't do it. The bus plunged straight down the cliff. Perhaps the driver pressed the accelerator by mistake. The car left its trunk on the road just because of the driver's mistake. Maybe the car lost control and drove into the oncoming lane. The collision was far away, but still serious enough for us to see its severity. The car rushed into the house in front of everyone's eyes.
Man. You get this all filmed? Shut up.
The race just started, and it's already like this. Maybe it should stop. Both cars didn't observe when crossing the intersection, causing an accident. The collision happened because the cars turned too close to each other. The collision caused both cars to lose control. Hopefully, the drivers are okay. The consequence of not observing while driving. Remember this, drivers. The driver might have decided to surrender by blocking the police car. It's clear that the car lost its brakes. Hopefully, the driver is okay. The container truck still tried to turn after the collision. Maybe the driver didn't realize there was a collision. The consequence of speeding without observing at the intersection. Pressing the accelerator by mistake while reversing is also a concerning action. Maybe the driver didn't know that the tire would fall off that day. The container truck lost its brakes, causing a series of collisions from behind. The driver seems unable to believe what's happening. It's truly horrifying. Unloading everything from the car doesn't mean it's safe. The car caught fire. Luckily, the driver is fine. The bus lost its brakes and rushed down the road, pushing many cars along the way. Can this be called an unexpected accident or a natural accident? The collision happened due to close distance. The white car changed lanes without observing. The plane lost balance while landing, causing the nose to scrape the ground and create sparks. The driver should observe carefully and then reverse, not hit an obstacle and then stop. Passing too closely caused a small collision. Luckily, everything is fine. Why did the driver move the car sideways like that? Truly puzzling. There was almost a collision when changing lanes. Don't drive like that. The container truck lost its brakes, causing a horrifying accident.